We will go on with our game which is called One Word because ang mga guests nato ay had to give and share some things and personalities that I have in mind wala sa listahan na you would describe them in one word. Yeah. Ready na ka, Vice City?
I am very ready. Yeah, let's see.
Let's see. I'll try my best to filter things out because with respect sa atong mga fellow Muslim brethren. So, first stop, the farthest place you have visited and you'd like to go again.
Manila.
Wow. Wapakukad to. Manila.
Manila.
Yeah. The most favorite fruit.
Durian.
Wow.
Yeah, I love durian.
Me too. I have 8 durian.
I love durian.
But not everybody likes durian.
Yeah,
Kaya.
because of the smell and aroma.
Oo. And also katong itsura sa durian.
Mm-mm.
Yeah. Next one, the most hated food that you ate.
It's not hate, but I just don't like the aroma the aftertaste. So, a lot of people will hate me on this, but I don't like apple actually.
Agoy.
Yeah.
I like apples.
Sir, I'm so sorry. It's not a hate, pero feeling ko lang, para lang akong kumakain ng water. And parang may siyang aftertaste to me, so hindi ko lang talaga siya kinakain.
Grabe. Sayang. With respect na lang.
I would gladly eat it. If may nasa table ka siya, I would still eat it. Pero hindi ko lang talaga siya makain or maubos.
You don't feel.
Yeah, I don't feel eating it.
Oh, grabe. Next one, of course, a personality that you are very close with outside of Hiyas.
Outside of Hiyas, Sir Belenito.
Wow.
Yeah.
Sir Will.
Sir Will, hi. So, actually, grabe kayo, no? Because kahit new pa siya as our OIC, grabe na ang bond nga nahatag niya. Kasi grabe, always ko nag-visit sa office.
Yes, City Tourism.
And ang chika-chika naman is like parang magkakilala na kami for how many years?
Yeah. I already know him long time ago since ABS days pa siya.
I actually also know him, like, di ba, director po siya, sir? So,
Yes.
grabe yung works niya. And the production, the best.
Nice. Can't deny.
Yeah.
Another favorite music genre.
I actually like ballads. Yeah, just chill lang. And also classical songs.
Wow. Favorite word which your family or your friends speak.
Tara.
Wow.
Tara. Kasi we love adventures. So, kahit saan talaga kami, tara, let's go there.
Okay. At na to sa personalities within Davao City, Rabaya. Sa uban, ambot lang. We'll go on with first one. The former mutya ng Davao 2025, Rebecca Gail Celis.
Genuine. Grabe ka genuine si Ate Rebecca. Though, gamay lang ang amuang parang bonding with each other. No, kay late kami, as Hiyas, no, kami pinakalas.
Yeah.
Nga, parang nakoronahan. Pero, even though, dili kayo may close, grabe ang iyakang pagka-genuine sa amua. And, dali na kayo siya ma-friend. Kasi, yung chika niya and everything, very genuine talaga.
Yeah. She's also a mother.
Yeah, a mother. Congratulations, Ate Rebecca.
Na-shock ba yata sa iyang farewell speech?
Yeah. Finally, a mother. Actually, I'm very proud ang community sa iya kasi it's not new to the Mutya community na maging mother kasi in the past, bawal talaga yung pregi, but because of inclusivity, grabe, na dyan may na-shock pa and as well as very happy to see Ate Rebecca finally using her voice to show to everyone that she's already a mother.
Yeah. Next one, si Johanna Sultan.
Oh, authentic.
Yeah. Yes.
Authentic si Ate Johanna kasi grabe yung personality niya. Kung ano siya, yun talaga yung ipapakita ni Ate Johanna. And we're very close actually.
Nice.
Very, very, very close. Out of all mutya, actually, close ko naman lahat. Pero si Ate Johanna kasi, siya talaga yung natatakbuhan ko in terms of like problems and also accomplishments. Grabe siya bigay ng advice sa akin.
Yeah. Minyo naman siya.
Yeah, minyo na si ate. So,
Yeah.
grabe kayo. Almost of the Hia sisters are already parang may mga boyfriends na and
Yeah.
meron ng mga husbands.
Nagkawin naman sila.
Nagkawin na.
Yeah. Next one, of course, Muslima Limpaw.
Kind.
Kind.
Yeah. Yun na, wala na akong masabi sa kay Ate Muslima kasi all of the parang ano na meron siya is nasa kanya talaga.
Yeah.
Si Ate Muslima actually, sir, she's my communication skills mentor.
Wow.
Very smart. And I don't think I will parang get to the crown without her. Kasi siya talaga nagturo sa akin from all the structures that I have to parang practice para sa mga Q&A ko and during my press cons.
Yeah.
Super kind ni Ate Muslima. And makulit din siya, sir. Sobrang kulit.
Very jolly.
Yeah, very jolly. Actually, yun dapat sinabi ko, pero that's okay.
Okay. Next one, your predecessor, yes, sa Kadayawan 2024, Engineer Shane Marie Awen.
That's maraming word na meron siya eh. Courageous.
Wow. Very courageous.
Yeah. Si ate, after attorney na po ba siya, sir, no?
Engineer.
Engineer. No, si ano pala yung attorney. Okay. Engineering. Si Ate Rebecca pala.
Attorney.
Almost, yeah.
Soon to be. But si Engineer Shane Marie Awen.
Very courageous si Ate Shane. Grabe din yung guidance niya sa akin during my HES journey. Nung nanalo po ako, sir, siya talaga sa akin na, you really have to expect pressure and parang pagod, especially pagka may mga events na ngayon araw ng Davao, Duo ng Davao, as well as yung mga major events ng Davao City kasi andun talaga palagi. Present talaga lahat ng mga ambassadors.
Correct. Next is former Deputy Mayor Randy Gapor Usman.
Okay, let's see. I have to be careful in saying this kasi baka ma-SS-an ako ni Sir Randy.
Better kay he is very respected by
Yeah, okay. So, ano ba? Actually, sir, nasabi niya na yung respected talaga si Sir Randy.
Yeah, respected.
Nasabi niya na talaga.
Oh my God.
Pero, yeah, okay lang yun. Pero yun talaga naisip, okay, respected. Pag sabi ni Sir Randy, grabe yung respect.
Yeah.
Kasi Sir Randy is not only a former deputy mayor, but also my uncle.
Wow.
Yeah, Sir Randy is my uncle. And grabe talaga yung respect ko sa kanya. So, in a serious note talaga, very intimidating konti si Sir Randy. Pero, pag nakausap mo na siya, grabe kabait.
Yeah. Next one is, of course, the former mutya ng Davao 2024, the first female plus-size mutya, Hannah Mage Picho.
At first, I was actually very intimidated by Ate Hannah. Kasi the first time I saw her and I was trying to say hi, she didn't saw me. So, at first, sabi ko talaga, intimidating talaga at first si Ate Hannah. But then, nag-change yung perspective ko sa kanya. And genuine ang gusto kong word na ibigay sa kanya. Kasi nung una, sir, hindi talaga kami parang, hindi niya ako napansin. And I didn't know, hindi pala siya makakita. So, may, pala yung mata niya. So, hindi pa siya nag-glasses. Tapos yung glasses na siya, doon sabi, oh my gosh, I'm very fan of you, Ate Hannah. Kasi, grabe yung, parang, niya, laman ng page niya, sir, di ba? Sa videos and everything. Grabe yung pagbigay niya ng advices. Not only, actually, Ate Hannah was also one who really helped me shape my future as Hiya sa Kadayawan kasi nagbigay siya ng parang mga notes, what to note if you will attend parang Mutya ng Davao or Hiya sa Kadayawan 2025, ganon. So, grabe advice niya.
Nice. Next one is,
Parang naubusan ako ng word
grabe, another one, si the current Mutya ng Davao 2026, Hannah Mary Colentril.
Bright. Yeah. Grabe ka, jolly and bright ni Hannah. Ay, mas magulang at ako sa kanya ng ilang years kasi Hannah is a second year medical biology student. So, I was not expecting her to be younger than me. Pero the first time I saw her and I met with her, grabe yung pagka-bright ng personality niya. Like, the way she talk, it's full of parang words and marami ka ding matututunan sa kanya. And we saw it. Siya talaga yung nakakuha ng corona and she deserves it.
Nice. Next one is, of course, the our Philippine Vice President, Sara Duterte.
Ambitious. Ang dami niyang ambisyon sa community natin sa Philippines. And the fact that even though there are a lot of crises happening and maraming parang bashings na nangyayari, she doesn't give up na ituloy na maging voice ng Filipino community, ng human community, not only sa Davao City but also throughout the Philippines.
Next is our former President, Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
Strong-willed.
Yeah.
Strong-willed. Wala na talaga akong masabi kasi from the word strong, even though malayo siya sa atin, dun pa lang sa part na grabe yung support ng tao sa kanya, dun mo talaga makikita that he's deserving to get all the love. And he's very strong to the fact na siya lang mag-isa dun, pero lumalaban siya for us.
Nice. Next is our Mayor Sebastian Baste Duterte.
Actually, same sila ni Sir Rodrigo Duterte. Strong. Grabe talaga, sir.
Yeah.
And also, grabe yung pagbigay niya sa atin ng parang hope na everything will be alright despite all na nangyayari sa atin kasi dami na problems, no? Na need to fix. Pero Sebastian Duterte is there for us.
Nice. Next one, our Vice Mayor Rodrigo Rigo Duterte II.
Okay. Pure. Very pure si sir. I have met him siguro mga ilang times na din. He's actually a bit timid, pero when you give him the mic, grabe yung nabibigay niya sa atin na words.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right. Next one, si Christine Claire Tar. Hiya sa Kadayawan 2023.
Okay, let's think of the word for her. Kasi kanina nagamit ng mga English, I want to use Tagalog word.
Okay. Sige.
Kadayawan. Yun talaga na word yung gusto ko ibigay sa kanya. Kasi she was the reason why I really wanted to join Hiya sa Kadayawan 2025. And yan na word ang hindi ko makakalimutan kapag narinig ko talaga yung pangalan niya.
Nice. Next one, events host, John Marine Rendon.
Jolly!
Yeah.
Same talaga, jolly talaga si... Pagka siya na yung nag-host, I really love when she hosts talaga kasi nabubuhay talaga yung audience. Kasi the ambience really start with the host itself. So kung ano yung ibibigay ng host na energy, yun talaga yung makukuha ng mga audience. So grabe yung aura niya. And she's also very pretty.
Yeah. Next one, the former pag-asa ng Davao 2025, Catriana Nasir Batu.
Gorgeous. Actually, si Ate Catriana, may jewelry, po siya, diba?
Yes.
And she actually, gave me one of her masterpieces. And sabi ko talaga, grabe, hindi ko talaga masuot yung binigay niya sa akin na earrings kasi parang, I think of it as her. It's very gorgeous talaga. Like Ate Catriana Batu.
Yeah. Sentimental value.
Yeah, sentimental talaga siya.
Yeah. Grabe. And of course, last but far from least, kanang pang Carlo Dollier, just describe me in one word by city.
Matatag.
Wow.
Yes, Sir Carlo is very, very matatag. Daghan kay mga events na always present si Sir Carlo. Dili jud ako ni siya parang dito nga absent siya kay always na ko siya masilayan and always ni mag-meet, like always mabuhay ug marayaw. Grabe ang katatag niya to serve the community and also to serve the media itself. And actually condolence po sir no kasi naano ko talaga, pero despite all na naranasan niya, despite di parang personal problems and difficulties niya, grabe siya katatag na now na interview yapon ko niya kahit meron siyang mga sariling alam mo yun difficulties sa life.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much,
then that's
sir.
about it for our one word